Hello, hello, English learners, and welcome back to Emily English Daily, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Tom. Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
How are you today, Tom?
I'm very good, thank you. I am happy. And you, Emily?
I'm happy too. I'm feeling very excited about our topic today.
Oh, yes. Today's topic is very interesting. I like it.
Me too. We are going to talk about the future, our future dreams and plans.
Wow, the future. That sounds big and exciting.
It is, but we can talk about big dreams and small plans. It's always fun to think about it.
Yes, it is. Before we start, everyone, please give this video a like.
Yes, and subscribe to Emily English Daily and share this with your friends who are learning English.
Exactly.
Okay, Tom, let's talk about the future. Where do we start?
Let's start with jobs. It's a classic question.
What do you want to be in the future, Tom?
A job? That's a good question. I think I want to be a chef.
A chef? Really? Wow, that's so cool.
Yes, a chef. I love food. I love to eat and I love to cook.
That's wonderful. What food do you want to cook?
I want to cook Italian food. Pasta, pizza, yummy.
I love Italian food. You can cook for me.
Yes, of course. I will make you a big pizza.
Great. So you want a restaurant? A big restaurant or a small restaurant?
I think a small, friendly restaurant. A place where people are happy.
That sounds so nice. A happy place with good food. I would go there every day.
Thank you, Emily. Okay, your turn. What job do you want in the future?
Well, I love animals very, very much.
Ah, okay. So you want a job with animals.
Yes, exactly. I want to be a veterinarian, a doctor for animals.
A veterinarian? Impressive. That is a fantastic job. You would be so good.
Thank you. I want to help dogs and cats, small animals and big animals, all animals.
That's so kind. So, Dr. Emily in the future.
Yes, maybe. I think helping animals is a very happy job.
I agree. That's a very happy job. Okay, so I am a chef and you are a veterinarian. A great future.
It is. Now, let's talk about something else. How about travel?
Ooh, travel. I love to travel. I want to go to many, many places.
Me too. Where do you want to go first? Your number one place?
My number one place, I think it's Japan.
Japan? Wow. Why Japan?
I think it's a beautiful country. I want to see Tokyo. It's a very big city. And I want to see the beautiful temples.
Yes, I see pictures. It looks amazing. What about the food? You are a future chef.
Of course, the food. I want to eat real sushi and ramen. I think Japanese food is delicious.
It is. That sounds like a wonderful trip. Are you going to learn Japanese?
I want to learn a little. Hello, thank you, simple words. It's good to be polite.
That's true. It's very respectful. Good job, Tom.
Thanks. So, what about you, Emily? Where do you want to travel?
My number one place is Brazil.
Brazil. Oh, that's so different from Japan. Why Brazil?
I want to see the Amazon rainforest, the big trees, the rivers, and all the animals.
Ah, of course, for the future veterinarian.
Yes, I want to see monkeys and beautiful birds. It's a dream for me.
That sounds incredible. And Brazil has beautiful beaches, too.
Oh, yes. I want to go to the beach in Rio de Janeiro, relax and drink coconut water.
Perfect. A perfect vacation. You see animals and you relax on the beach.
Yes, my perfect trip. We have great travel plans.
We do. A trip to Japan and a trip to Brazil. I like our future.
Me too. So we have a job and we have travel plans. What about a house? Where do you want to live?
A house? I am not sure. Maybe in a city. Maybe in the country. What do you like about the city?
I like that cities are busy. There are many restaurants, shops, and cinemas. It's exciting.
That's true. And your small restaurant would be good in a city.
Yes, exactly.
But I also like the country. It's quiet and green.
I understand. I love the country. It's so peaceful.
So, you want to live in the country?
Yes, I do. I want a small house with a big garden.
A big garden. What do you want in your garden?
I want many flowers. Red flowers, yellow flowers, pink flowers, a rainbow of flowers.
That sounds beautiful.
And you can have animals in the country.
Yes, I want to have a dog. A big, friendly dog. And maybe 2 cats.
A dog and 2 cats. Wow, your house will be full of love.
I hope so. What about you, Emily? Do you want a pet?
I like pets. I think I want a cat. A small black cat.
A black cat. They are so elegant.
Yes, a cat is independent. I can work in my restaurant and the cat is happy at home.
That is a good plan. So, a small house with a garden for me, and for you, city or country?
I think I will have an apartment in the city. A nice apartment with a big kitchen.
A big kitchen is very important for a chef.
Yeah, it is the most important room. I need space for all my pots and pans.
I understand. Your future apartment sounds great.
Thank you.
And your future house sounds so peaceful and lovely.
Thank you, Tom. Okay, let's think. We have jobs, travel, and homes. What's next in the future?
What about learning something new? A new skill?
Ooh, that's a good one. A new hobby or skill. Curious, do you want to learn something new?
Yes, I do. I want to learn how to play the guitar.
The guitar? That's so cool. I love guitar music.
Me too. It's relaxing. I want to sit in my apartment and play simple songs.
That sounds wonderful. Do you think it is difficult?
Maybe a little difficult at the start, but I can practice.
Practice is important.
Yes, you are right.
You can do it. It will be fun.
I think so. Curious, what about you, Emily? What new skill do you want to learn?
I want to learn how to dance salsa.
Salsa. Wow, Emily, that's so energetic and fun.
Yes, I love salsa music. It makes me want to move. I think it's a very happy dance.
It is. You can go to a dance class.
Yes, I will find a good class. I want to learn all the steps. It looks beautiful.
You will be a great salsa dancer. I'm sure of it.
Thank you. So, you play the guitar and I dance salsa. It sounds like we are very artistic.
We are. Our future is full of food, animals, travel, and art.
It is a very good future.
I like it.
Me too. Let's think about smaller things. Not big dreams, but small plans.
Okay, good idea. Like, what are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I am going to go to the park.
Oh, nice. To walk?
Yes, to walk and maybe read a book on a bench. It's going to be a sunny day.
That sounds very relaxing. A good plan for tomorrow.
What about you? What are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I am going to call my friend. We're going to talk for a long time.
That's always nice. It's important to talk to friends.
Yes, it is. And I am going to make a chocolate cake.
A chocolate cake? Can I come to your house?
Of course. There's cake for you, too.
Yay, thank you. See, the small plans for the future are also very good.
Yes. Okay, what about next week? Do you have any plans for next week?
Next week, yes, I am going to go to the library.
The library. Are you going to get a book?
Yes, I want to get a new book to read. I love reading.
Me too. What kind of books do you like?
I like adventure stories, stories about travel and new places.
Ah, that is perfect for a future traveler.
Yes, it's good practice.
What are you going to do next week, Emily?
Next week, I am going to watch a new movie.
Oh, nice. At home or at the cinema?
At the cinema, I love the big screen and the popcorn.
Me too. Popcorn at the cinema is the best. What movie are you going to see?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe a comedy. I like to laugh.
Comedies are great. A good laugh is always a good plan.
I agree. So our near future is also very nice. Park, friends, cake, library, and cinema.
It's a great week.
It's good to have small things to look forward to.
Exactly. It makes every day happy. Big dreams are for the future, but small plans are for now.
That is very true. I feel very positive talking about all of this.
Me too. It's fun to imagine all the good things that are coming.
So, we have my restaurant and your animal clinic.
Yes, and your trip to Japan and my trip to Brazil. My apartment in the city and your house in the country.
My dog and 2 cats and your elegant black cat.
Don't forget my guitar and your salsa dancing.
I would never forget that. Our future sounds really, really fun, Tom.
It really does, Emily, and it's important to dream. It gives us motivation.
Yes, it makes us want to learn and work hard.
That's right, to make our dreams happen. Even if the dreams change, it's okay. The important thing is to look forward.
Yes, exactly. Maybe tomorrow I will want to be an astronaut.
An astronaut chef. You can cook in space.
Wow, a restaurant on the moon? That is a very big dream.
It is, but it's a fun dream. It's good to have big dreams and small dreams.
I agree 100%.
This was a really fun conversation, Emily.
It was. I feel so inspired now. I want to go and plan my trip to Brazil right now.
And I want to find a good recipe for pizza for my future restaurant.
Yes, please do that.
I will. It seems we are near the end of our episode today.
Oh, yes. Time goes fast when we are having fun.
It always does. This was a great topic.
It was. And now we want to hear from you, our listeners.
Yes, please leave a comment below. Tell us about your future.
What do you want to be? Where do you want to travel? Tell us one of your dreams.
It can be a big dream or a small plan for tomorrow.
We want to read everything we do. Your comments make us so happy.
And don't forget to subscribe to Emily English Daily for more easy and fun English conversations.
Please share this episode with your friends and family. It helps our channel a lot.
Yes, it does. Thank you all so much for listening today.
It was wonderful to spend this time with you. Keep dreaming and keep learning.
That's right. Until next time, goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.